Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to find and locate and replace the fuse for the cigarette lighter or the power outlet right here on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2018-2017. If you have one guys, please subscribe. More than 200 videos coming on this car, so we'll be taking the whole thing apart. So let me show you now. I have the ignition on, okay, right here, and the thing is plugged all the way in. Okay, the air compressor does not work. I have the buttons on, no light. So we'll show you which fuse it is, how to replace it, and if that's going to fix our problem. So stay with us now. So now the interior fuse box is located behind the glove. So how you do that? You need to open the glove box, and then on each side you have a stop. One here, one on the other side. You need to squeeze the glove box towards the inside and pull it down. Okay, and those are the stops. Okay, once you jump out of them, you need to grab the box and pull it straight out. Okay, like that. You can see where the hinges are. Okay, that's where they go. The fuse box is located right here. Once you remove the glove box guys, we need to locate fuse number 3320M fuse, big fuse. Okay, this one, turn the light on, this one right there. It's a square fuse, so we're going to replace it, okay, with a new one. Okay, let's grab the new one now and see if that will fix the problem. Okay, right there. The fuse is in. Okay, we're going to put the glove box together later. Okay, and even without the ignition being on, the compressor is working now. Okay, check it out. The light works here and it's going to pump. So you can see that this actually fixed our problem guys. So that's how we locate and replace the fuse. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.